So you started a business and you're not getting the results that you thought you were going to get, or it's not working out how you thought it was going to work out. Well, in this video, I have 5 things that you need to do in order for you to grow your business and to not lose your business. So stick around, hit the like button, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to make sure that you're doing is that you're marketing to the right people. If you're not marketing to the right people, you're not going to get the results that you want, no matter how hard you work. Make sure you do your due diligence and research on who are the type of people that like your product or service, and only target those type of people. The second thing you want to do is keep up with the latest trends. You want to know what people are doing in your industry. You want to know what's working and what's not working. Sometimes things may work for a while, but those things might get outdated. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of how to reach your people in the proper way. And the third thing you want to do is study those in your industry. You want to look at what others are doing in the same industry that you're doing. You want to look at the results that they're getting, and you also want to make sure that you get inspired on how they are growing their audience and growing their brand, and how they're interacting with their people, so you can implement the same thing in your business, so that you can make sure that you are effective with your marketing strategy as much as possible. The fourth thing you will want to do is try not to do everything on your own. Try to look for mentors. Try to look for people in your industry that are willing to give out knowledge. Try to look for these type of people who've done what you're trying to do, so that you're not on your own. Because if you're trying to do it all on your own, it may take you longer than what is necessary. So don't try to be a one-man show and just do everything on your own. Look for people in your industry that have the knowledge that they are willing to give out, so that you can shortcut your journey to success. And the last thing you'll want to do is to keep going. Yes, it's tough in the beginning, but growth takes time. We have to be able to dedicate ourselves to this business that we have, and make sure that we do our due diligence to make sure that it grows and that it prospers the way it's supposed to be. So if this information was helpful for you, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, definitely leave me a comment, watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.